Hello and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Today I'm excited to have a very special guest with me. This is a good friend of my cat Jador's and her name is Liquorice. Hello Liquorice.
Oh, hello there.
Welcome to Lavender Coco Kitchen.
Thank you very much. It's a great pleasure to be here. I've watched your show many times and I got to say I'm quite a fan.
Well, I'm so pleased to hear it, Liquorice.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So today I have a very special recipe for you.
Ooh.
And we're going to make chocolate mice.
Oh, I like the mice.
I know.
I don't know if you can tell, but I really like mice.
Yeah, I thought you might like mice.
Ooh.
And guess what these mice are made of?
It looks like something brown.
Yeah, it is. Do you know what this is?
Is that a weird date?
Yeah, it's a date. So we're going to use dates to make the mice. And if you don't know, dates are very healthy. And they're full of natural healthy sugars. Mm-hmm. So you can get, if you've got a sweet tooth, dates are a great way to satisfy that because you get natural sugar, not refined sugar. So it's better for you.
Just a very healthy date.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. We have to take the stones out. So I'm just going to make a slit on the date and remove the stones.
Ooh.
Now we're going to stuff the middle with nut butter.
Nut butter?
Yeah, nut butter is very healthy too.
Is that this ingredient over here? Is this nut butter?
Yeah, that's my delicious nut butter. And you can find a recipe on one of my videos to make this.
Susan?
Yeah?
I realized you use a lot of nuts in your videos.
I like nuts.
What's that?
Well, they're such a healthy ingredient. So I use a lot of them.
Would you say it's better than eating mice?
Oh, a lot better. I wouldn't eat mice, but I know you do.
Well, maybe after today I'll be converted.
Yeah, well, I eat mice if they're like this.
Ooh.
But not if they're from the garden. Okay, so we're just going to put some nut butter inside the date. Just like that.
Okay.
Now to make the tails of the mice, I've got some vegan licorice.
Ooh, vegan licorice. This is my favorite part, the tail.
Yeah, it's a tail.
Okay.
So we just stick that inside. Yeah, you can help me with that. Put that in and close up the date like that as best you can, yeah? Now we're going to dip it into chocolate. I've got melted chocolate over here.
I don't think cats can...
Do you think you could hold the spoon? Well, not really. Try in your mouth.
Okay.
Can you hold the spoon? Can you hold that spoon or not? Yeah, yay! So you can help me to coat this date in chocolate now. Get some chocolate and put it onto the date.
This is quite a difficult task.
Yeah, we might just roll it in there. It might be easier.
That's a little bit better.
Okay, see if you can get it out. I'll get some paper for that.
Hold on. No, Susan, I think I've got it.
Oh, good. That's very good. So, put it onto the paper. Now, we've got to decorate. So I got some almond meal there as well. So you can see how I've sprinkled them with almond meal.
Is that the final result?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
So we see if you can help me to put some of that on them. Can you do it?
I can.
Oh, good. So you're managing that job all right?
Yes, I think I'm fine.
Oh, very good. Oh, not on the front because we have to make the faces. Oh, don't cry. No, you're doing a good job.
Oh, thank you.
All right, see if we can make the faces now. I've got more licorice you can use to make little ears.
Is this like the licorice stick?
Yeah, I just cut it. Now you could use bits of cashew nuts or any kind of nuts. Just make the eyes with the nuts. You can put the eyes on. Yay, very good. Now I got some bits of coconut shreds to make whiskers.
Ooh.
So you got nice whiskers too.
Please refrain from touching the whiskers.
Oh, but you
They're
got
quite
such
sensitive
nice
sometimes.
whiskers.
Thank you.
So you can make whiskers for the little mice if you can. They're a bit tricky, but you just stick them on the sides like that. That's its eye. Put it on the side of its face. Yeah, see?
Ooh.
We want it to end up looking like this, with whiskers on the side, like what you've got. Not on its nose or its eye. So, okay, let me help. Just put some on that side, yeah? There. Now I've got a little bit of cranberry here.
What's that for?
You could use it to make a little nose
Ooh.
at the front there.
It's got a red
Yeah.
nose.
Well, you've got a red nose as well.
I do. It's a great story.
Would you like to try making another one? I don't know if you can cut the date. I better cut it for you and take the seeds out. Okay. Can you put some nut butter into that one? I'll just put it inside. Yeah. And get one of the tails. And put that in and close it. Like that, yeah. Now just the chocolate. Dip it in the chocolate. Oh, is it a bit heavy?
I'm not that strong.
You can see that. Well, I'll do it for you. So we'll just roll it in the chocolate again, like that. So it's all coated. There we go. And onto the paper. Then we can do that same process with the almond meal.
Oh, this one I can do.
Oh yeah, you're good at that. Yeah, very good. Yeah, you're doing a good job there. Very good, well done. Okay, yay! Yay! Well, okay, I'll help you put the little ears on. Ears. And the eyes. And the little nose. We'll leave it at that. So you know how to make the mice now. And when they're done, put them in the fridge or the freezer until they set, so they go hard like that. And then they're ready to eat.
That's very good.
And these could be good for children's parties as a nice fun snack. And of course you can see that my friend Liquorice made them fairly easily. So I think like children could have fun making them too.
If I can make it, then the children can make it.
Yeah, I'm sure they can.
So when can we taste it?
Oh yeah, let's taste it now.
Okay.
I should cut one. Shall I cut one that way or this way? Which way?
Anyway, it's good to cut the mouse.
Alright, we'll cut it this way. So you get a bit of everything.
Ooh.
And you can see the nut butter in the inside. So have a taste. Here, I'll give you a taste. What's that like? Do you like it? What do you think?
That's very good. I don't... Susan,
Yeah.
I don't think I want to eat any mice anymore.
Oh, good.
This might just do.
So am I going to make you a vegan now?
Perhaps.
So you're not going to kill any more mice, are you?
Perhaps. It's a very big possibility.
Well, I'm glad I've just made my friend into a vegan. She's going to eat date mice now instead of real mice. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.